on you and hit you because it's going to hit you and it's going to hurt.
He's like jumping this shit.
Well, he's done stung that.
Look at he's getting him.
I know.
He's getting him.
He's dragging him around like your bitch.
I couldn't believe it. Look how big that bee is, too. Oh, damn. He let go.
There you go.
Oh, he's going back for more. He killed it.
It's dead. It's two of them.
He killed the one.
Dang, he's right there waiting. Look at him.
He's like, touch him, bitch. Touch him.
He killed
the
the one.
one's already dead. It's white.
See the...
Yeah, there's one on the ground over there just now. They're both dead, ain't they?
No, the one right here is alive.
No, he was stinging the one that's already dead. It's pure white.
Dang, he was getting it, too. Look at that.
Stirring it up.
He was, too. Like, ah!
I'm recording this. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Yeah. Put it on Facebook. You didn't get it.
But look how big they are.
Huh.
You didn't, a little pecker in it.
You didn't get it. Oh, give me one of them pennies. Give me one of these pennies. So
all right.
Put some scale in here.
Oh!
He's Dog, don't tell me that.
You bang? Oh, shit.
Make more.
He's like, homie, what you doing? Trying to get on what I killed?
Let him get on him.
That's my kill.
Let him get on him.
Look, he's like, that's my kill, motherfucker.
That bee's a mom. Look at him. Look at him. Hey, he's sticking him.
Ooh, he stuck him right in the head. Look,
I got it.
Oh. Look at the noise
He just killed the one that isn't dead. The white one was already dead.
Look at him. He's getting him. Oh, then he tried to carry them both away.
One's down here now.
Oh, he's got the one.
Nope.
Yeah, the cicada. Dang, he just flew.
Holy shit, man.
Wow, that was...